Hello, I'm Dr. Craig Thomas, board-certified orthopedic surgeon in the Washington, D.C. area. I'm here today to talk to you about some of the benefits that I see in a new device called TrueForm resistance bands. So unlike regular conventional resistance bands, you don't need a partner to accomplish your workout in any arena. You can have practices in the gym, you can walk around the track, you can play tennis, you can play baseball, you can play basketball, you can play football, you can have CrossFit, cross-training exercise regimens, and you don't need anyone but yourself. And you'll find that the harness is very comfortable. It has two resistance bands in the front attached to special TrueForm sneakers and resistance bands in the back. And the resistance bands can be adjusted for your desired tension. One of the biggest advantages that I see from a training standpoint, from a rehab standpoint, is that you have both eccentric and concentric muscle contractions that are worked with this device. So one of the biggest injuries is eccentric contraction. So that's when you're elongating a muscle or making the muscle long by stretching it, but at the same time contracting the muscle. And that's a cause of a lot of injuries to the lower extremities when training. This allows you to work on your eccentric contraction and in my opinion limits the potential for injury. Okay, so some common questions that are asked from my patients is what is the best way to work out with this device? That's the great thing, is that there is no one best way, and so there's no one patient and there's no one sport. So this device is a cross-training device. So depending on the patient and their activity level, what they're trying to achieve, there's excellent video that I've observed from TrueForm that shows you how to work into this slowly. You can actually start at a fast pace if you like, or you can slow it down. The shoes themselves have different levels, and we use that for different sports in terms of what we're trying to accomplish in terms of the resistance. So it's really for everyone. I mean, your grandmother can use it. My 12-year-old son uses it, and I've seen enormous progress in his basketball and football performances as a result. Another frequent question that's asked is, how should I begin my training? Well, the set itself comes with a set of resistance bands. So you're always recommended to start with the lowest resistance, okay? And then work yourself up. Our mannequin here has on the third level, the yellow. And as you can see, these bands are going to get thicker and thicker and give you more tension. So I always recommend to start with the lowest tension regardless of your level of athlete, whether you're a professional athlete, Division I college athlete, high school athlete, or an elderly patient that's in rehab. So once you get to your desired level, if you feel that that's too much, there's no reason to have to go to the black level. If you plateau at the blue and that gives you the workout that you're looking for, then that's fine. If you keep going, then that's fine as well. And finally, the last question that's often asked is, can I work out with this every day? Can I work out with this system during my season? And the answer is, with all resistance training, there should be a period of rest. Now that rest is really up to the individual, but I recommend that you rest that muscle group that you worked, in this case the lower extremities, at least for a day, sometimes 2 days, depending on the workout. Now if you're used to working with the TrueForm high, strong tension bands, and you really love this device and you want to work out with it every day, as some people do, then I just recommend going to the lower tension bands on the next day. So you're still getting in your aerobic workout with some resistance, but you're not stretching the muscle as much as you would if you were to go all out every day.